Whenever and wherever they try to erase Tibet, Tibet will fight back.
If you haven't heard, the British Museum is now using the Chinese term Xizang Autonomous Region in their Silk Road exhibition to refer to a Tibetan artifact. The use of the Chinese government's colonial term for Tibet is a flagrant endorsement of China's occupation of Tibet and distorts the historical truth of Tibet as an independent nation and people. When the Global Alliance for Tibetans and Persecuted Minorities and the UK Tibetan community first wrote to the British Museum with their concerns, the British Museum defended the use of Xizang Autonomous Region, claiming that it reflects Tibet's contemporary status. But this object, a silver Tibetan vase, is actually on loan from the Oxford's Ashmolean Museum, and they rightfully acknowledge Tibet as a place of creation. This isn't a matter of politics or debate, it's a matter of fact and fiction.
This marks just the latest episode in the CCP's campaign to erase Tibet from the museum world. Since September, SFT France and Tibet activists have protested in Paris after Musée des Quais and Musée Guimet replaced Tibet with Xizang and Himalayan world. Musée des Quais has since apologized and reinstated Tibet, but the fight continues at Musée Guimet. China's tried to steal everything from Tibetans, from plundering the land to ripping over 1 million Tibetan children away from their families and into a vast network of colonial boarding schools. Now, they want to erase the name Tibet from museums, from history, from global consciousness. Tag the British Museum, call on them to remove Xizang Autonomous Region from all materials and exhibition.